Today we're going to practice the 5-5-5 breath. I use this breath when I'm anxious, fearful, stressed, and even sometimes when I'm angry. You can do it in as little as 3 minutes, and you can use it at any time of the day. We're going to create an equal breath pattern by inhaling for the count of 5. We'll hold for the count of 5, and then we'll exhale for the count of 5. When we create this equal breath pattern, we send a message to our nervous system that we have everything we need, that we are okay as we are. Within this pattern, we're going to be holding the breath. When we hold the breath, we activate the parasympathetic nervous system, moving us out of fight and flight and into the body's rest and rejuvenate response. Also, when we hold the breath, we improve oxygen exchange in our blood cells and we expand our lung capacity. So you can do this practice sitting in a chair, at your desk, you can do it on the bus, you can do it in the park, or you can do it sitting on the floor. Whatever works for you. Okay. So, we're going to do it together for 3 minutes now. We'll bring the fingertips touching, and we'll create a triangle with our hands. Bring your hands in front of your heart, a little bit off your chest. Bring your arms straight out. And come relaxing into your seat. Allow your shoulders to drop. Allow your sit bones to release into your chair or onto the mat or cushion. Bring your eyes closed 2/3 of the way. So keep them open 1/3. Looking out of a little sliver at the bottom of your eyes. I'll count us through the first few rounds, and then I'll ask you to continue on your own up till 3 minutes. So let's begin inhaling for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Continue counting at your own pace. In your mind. Inhaling for 5. Holding for 5. Exhaling for 5. Take a deep inhale. Hold the breath at the top. Exhale. Relaxing your palms, face up on your knees. Take a few moments to tune into yourself. And notice the effects of the practice. You can do this practice at any time of the day in as little as 3 minutes. If you like, you can extend it up to 5, 7, or even 11 minutes. Have a go and see how it works for you.